You can access the main menu by tapping the three dots on the home screen. Here you will find the options Timer, LIGRE Eco Mode, and General. Under General, you can adjust settings such as language, time, date, and water hardness, or reset the LIGRE youn to factory default settings. In the main menu, you will also find the LIGRE Easy mode. This feature is particularly important to me, so I'd like to go into more detail in a separate tutorial. You also have the option to select maintenance, where you'll find our guided cleaning programs. And in About this LIGRE youn, you can find various machine-related information like how many coffees have been brewed or the current degree of lime scale.